going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to change Ryanair currency. So during the booking process, when you enter your payment details, click on the click here for more information button. You can find it under the card details. This will reveal a box that you can untick the checkbox to turn off currency conversion. This will display the original currency, example euros instead of pounds. The other option you have is to use PayPal. If you're using PayPal, you'll have the option to select the currency you want to pay in. This may be more convenient and cost effective since PayPal's fees are less, but you maybe have some hidden fees, so yeah. Another option to do is work around for automatic conversion. What does that mean? Is that if you're booking flight from a non-Eurozone country, for example, try searching for a flight from a Eurozone country, example Germany, and then you're gonna go back to your original booking. This may display the price in euros instead of local currency. So if you're using credit card, you can pay with credit card, which you can change the currency, and the issuer may apply a more favorable exchange rate than Ryanair. You can save money with that depending on the issuer. So important to note that Ryanair's dynamic currency conversion is automatic and it's hidden behind a more information button under the card information. So also PayPal's exchange fees may be lower, but may other fees associated with PayPal. Credit card conversion may apply a better exchange rate, but depends on your issuer. And make sure to always check for fees.